Hello everyone, my name is Afaq Chaudhary and I am from A.M.LASER Technologies, and this is our machine of 1600 into 1000 CO2 laser cutting and engraving machine installed in Badlapur, Mumbai. As you can see, right now we are cutting a jali design on this machine on both the heads, as it is a dual head machine. As you can see, both the heads are working at the same time. This is the machine with the latest color and model. As you can see, the color is also very bright and kind of cool vibrant color, and the distance between the knife blade is around at 10 to 12 mm, as you can see on the bed, which avoids burn mark behind the material which generally comes in the laser machine when the cutting is done. But in this machine there will be no burn mark due to less spacing between the knife blades to hang the material on the surface. This is the high cooling chiller which can be used 24/7. As you can see, this is the latest display which shows the design and the power and speed which is given for cutting purpose. These are the two power control milliampere meter in which power can be controlled. This is the emergency switch, and here are the power buttons for laser 1 and laser 2, as you can see. And file transferring option are also there, like USB, LAN and pen drive, as you can see in this machine. Now I'm showing you the cutting quality, and it is very fine and precise, as you can see it over here. These are the two laser tubes which are working simultaneously in this laser machine. This is the compressor of 500 watt which is being used in this laser machine, and the air blower is of 750 watt, as you can see over here. This is the high cooling chiller which is being used in this laser cutting and engraving machine, which allows you to run the machine 24/7 without any problem. Our company name is A.M.LASER Technologies. If you need CO2 laser cutting and engraving machine, CO2 marking machine, fiber metal marking machine, CNT router machines, you can contact us over here also. These are our company details, contact numbers and Insta page. Also you can follow us on Instagram for the latest updates on the installation of the laser machine which are being installed recently. Now you can see the cutting quality has been very precise and fine, as you can see in this video. This machine is being installed in Badlapur, Mumbai.